How to fix office error CAA50021. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you fix your office error CAA50021. So the first method is to re-register your device. So go ahead and click on Windows plus R button and type CMD. Type this command and click on Enter. Delete the Microsoft Organization Access and Microsoft Organization P2P Access from the certificate store. So the next command you need to enter is this. Now click on Enter and this process will register your device. Now to re-register, click on search icon and type Task Scheduler and click OK. Go to the Task Scheduler library and expand it. Also expand Microsoft and then Windows. Go ahead and click on Workplace Join, click on Automatic Device Join, and launch the Automatic Device Join in Task. You might also be facing this problem if your device isn't properly connected to Azure ID, so open your settings, and you can do that by clicking on Windows plus I button, click on Accounts, and make sure you are on this Access Work or School tab, and then click on Connect, and then follow the prompts to connect your device. This is how you can fix office error CAA50021. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. See you in the next video.